Running it last night, found out we'd wired the map sensor wrong. We rewired it temporarily to see how she's gonna work. Now we'll try and fire it up